Hello and welcome to Digia. In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean and interactive search page UI using the Digia dashboard. Before we start building, let's quickly look at what we'll achieve by the end of this video. We'll create a modern search experience with a styled search bar, a text input field, and a clear button that instantly resets the search. The results will update dynamically as the user types. The widget hierarchy for the search page is structured as follows. We'll begin by creating the search bar at the top of the page. First, add a container, then wrap it inside a row, and finally wrap everything with a column to structure the layout properly. This ensures the search bar looks consistent across devices. Give the container a rounded border radius so it feels like a real search field. Inside the row, add an image widget for the back icon, followed by a text form field for the search input. Adjust the size and spacing based on your design requirements. Inside the row, drag in a text form field widget. Next, customize the text form field properties, things like initial value, label, hint text, colors, and typography, to match the overall UI. But make sure to make it expanded in its parent row. This is important because a text form field tries to take infinite width inside a row, and wrapping it with expanded ensures it uses the available space correctly without layout issues. Now, add another image widget in the row for the clear icon, and adjust its properties. To make the search dynamic, we'll manage state at the page level. Create a variable that holds the master list of items you want to search from. Then create another variable, templist, which will store the filtered search results. This list will drive the dynamic behavior of our search. Next, create a search controller. This controller will help us track and control the value of the text form field. We also need a JavaScript function that filters items from the master list and updates the temp list. This function will handle the core search logic. Once that's done, assign the controller to the text form field. Now let's connect the logic with interactions. In the onChanged interaction of the text form field, trigger a setState action. Make sure the rebuild toggle is enabled, and update the temp list using the JavaScript function we just created. The text controller.text gives us the current value entered by the user, which will pass into the filter logic. Next, add a column below the search bar to display the filtered results. Don't forget to make this column scrollable and expanded, so it takes up the remaining space on the screen. For the UI, I'm using an already created product card component to save time. Enable the column's data source and bind it to temp list. This ensures that the product card repeats dynamically based on the number of filtered items. Use current item to access the individual item data for each repeated widget. Now for the clear icon behavior. We only want the clear icon to appear when the search field is not empty. This expression ensures the icon is visible only when the user has typed something. On the clear icons interaction, clear the text using the controller and trigger a set state with rebuild enabled. This refreshes the UI and resets the search results. In the search page, click on the text field labeled Enter your keyword. And that's it, your search page is now complete, responsive, and ready to be used in any app built with Digia. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.